In this application, the patient journey is a single continuous digital thread. Patient registers it online, nurse confirms the appointments, books the charts and vitals, doctor sees the charts instantly, patient stays connected 24/7 with 3 different languages. This is the architecture that will be delivered. Patients, doctors, nurses will be able to access from a mobile or a tablet or a laptop, multilingual, and application is to yours with standards and data delivered to yours with the infrastructure. Entire thing would be managed by an AI operating agent. So this modern app is not just the base. From the day one into the weeks, you will be compliant within 7 to 8 weeks with insurance, GST, everything. Then you can review and develop custom features on top of it. It doesn't stop there. This is going towards a reactive to proactive approach, where instead of your symptoms being ignored or clinic visit being getting late or emergency admissions or ICU, for example, take a scenario of a heart attack for Mr. Kumar at the age of 58, hypertensive, busy, but he feels a bit fine at the beginning. We are able to identify the drift in his heart rate creeping up in the BP and flag if any cardiac risk is observed. The nurse immediately gets in a phone with him and books a slot with him and orders an ECG and lab to be done in 30 minutes. The plan for him with the medication and adjustments, walking plan would be delivered to him, and the outcome would be he would be avoiding any emergencies, ICUs, and he can continue with his life. It will save emergency admissions, angioplasty, 4 days in ICU, 3 to 5 lakhs of cost, and weeks of recovery through 5 to 10,000 investment in this ClinicOS. This is more happening through a continuous care loop where you will be getting the information in signals from wearables, BP curves, glucometers, or any manual checkups from the patient, and then it runs through an AI risk engine where care team will be alerted if any flags or any notification to be sent, and we get on an earlier intervention to avoid any incidents. So we have the core now, remote vitals would be integrated and the predictive engine would be formed, and then you can build on top of it. So it will be your server, the same record, same ownership of data, and the data and the intellectual property owned by you. So future care will be preventive, proactive, and palliative, where screening, vaccinations, remember age, risk, annual health check packages, auto schedules, lifestyle programs, diet, walking, yoga groups, family child follow-up nudges can be provided, wearable home device, AI trend analysis can be done on your own server, early warning flags can be given to the care team immediately, same day status checks and rapid clinic slots can be booked for any patient who needs immediate attention, palliative care for elders who needs like home visit scheduling for nurses and doctors, pain and symptom tracking from the bedside, massages, physio, recreational therapies, plans can be provided, family caregiver portal with 24/7 chatbot support can be provided with this platform. So the security and compliance of this application is added to the Indian healthcare security standards, where we provide role-based access, full audit trails on every actions, FHIR native application, encryption, session securities, backups, recovery drills are happening regularly. So it integrates with Ayush Bharat digital mission identity and the National Health Claims Exchange for preauth and claims, and this is GST ready. So the return on investment will be calculated as in faster patient registration, hours of staff time saved per day, and per clinic per month cost savings in, and 3 language supports in 24/7 support, where patient and doctor, nurses will be able to interact 24/7. So the executive summary would be zero paperwork, streamlined care flow, FHIR native data, role-based access, 24/7 portal, and the AI managed by yours, your own code and your own intellectual property. So, own your digital clinic future. So, our pilot proposal is on the first week we will onboard, 2 to 3 weeks we will get it on live. 4th week you should be able to measure, review, and let us know how to move next forward.